This massive white island between North America and Europe is Greenland. It's the largest island on Earth, covered in ice, freezing, remote, brutal. So here's the mystery. Why did humans keep trying to live here again and again for 4,000 years? Whole civilizations came, they survived, and then they vanished. Some disappeared without a trace. This is the strange and forgotten history of Greenland. Part 1. The First Humans. Let's go back 4,500 years. On the map, watch people move from Siberia into North America and then across the Arctic. Around 2,500 BC, the first settlers reached Greenland. They're known today as the Sakak culture. They lived on the western coast near Discovere. No farms, no cities, just hunting seals, fishing, surviving the cold. But life here was brutal, and after centuries, they disappeared. No records, no explanation, just gone. Then came another group, the Dorset people. They moved even farther north into one of the coldest places on Earth. Temperatures below freezing most of the year, yet somehow they lived there for hundreds of years. They hunted musk oxen, carved strange artworks, built stone shelters. Then they vanished too, completely. To this day, historians still debate what happened. Part 3. The Vikings arrive. Now something unexpected happens. From the east across the Atlantic come the Vikings. Around 980 AD, a Norse explorer named Eric the Red arrives. He gives the island a clever name, Greenland. Not because it was green, but because he wanted settlers to move there. Marketing 1,000 years ago. And it worked. Ships full of Vikings arrived. They built farms, churches, entire villages. For 400 years, Europeans lived here. But then the climate changed. The Little Ice Age hit. Colder weather, crop failures, starvation. And by the 1400s, the Viking settlements were abandoned. No one knows exactly how. Did they leave? Did they die? Another mystery. Meanwhile, from Alaska, a new people arrived, the Thule culture, ancestors of today's Inuit Greenlanders. They brought dog sleds, whale hunting tools, and Arctic survival skills. Unlike others, they adapted perfectly. They stayed. Then in 1721, Denmark arrived. Missionaries, colonists, Christianity. Greenland became a Danish colony. For centuries, Denmark controlled everything. Fishing became the main economy. Greenlanders had little political power. During the World War II, the United States built military bases here because Greenland isn't just ice, it's strategic. It sits between America and Europe, perfect for defense. Today, Greenland has its own parliament, home rule, growing independence. But there's a problem. Only 60,000 people live here, and the economy still depends heavily on Denmark. So the big question is, can Greenland survive alone? Or will bigger powers fight over it? In the Arctic, where ice is melting and resources are valuable, Greenland might become one of the most important places on Earth. From vanished tribes to Vikings to global politics, this frozen island has history's most surprising story. And its next chapter